Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at Adhi Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now today's tip of the week is all about something called a PRLS license. And it's important to remember that PRLS stands for Prepaid Rental Listing Service. Essentially what a PRLS license is a PRLS license lets you sell a list of available rental property. So if you want to sell real estate, if you want to do property management, generally if you want to do commercial real estate or leasing, you'll need a real estate license to do any of those things. If all you want to do is sell a list of available rental property, you'll need a license called a PRLS license. One way they make money is by selling a list of available rental property. Now I could go to, let's say, Craigslist. If I'm looking for a place to rent in, let's say, San Francisco, or in downtown LA, yeah, I guess I could go to Craigslist, or I could pay a company called a PRLS company, or Prepaid Rental Listing Service, and I will pay them on a subscription basis for access to their database. Now, one of the reasons I would pay them is because, in theory, their database is vetted, it's culled, it's more high quality than just going to another random internet site. So remember, if you want to sell a list of available rental property, you can do that. You won't need a real estate license, but you will need a PRLS license, or Prepaid Rental Listing Service.